Hello, hi, welcome back. Children, today we are going to learn one new concept, that is single digit subtraction word problems. Yes, earlier we have seen word problems of addition, single and double digit. Today we are going to learn subtraction word problems with single digit. So let's start our first sum. Our first sum is Arav has 9 cherries. He eats 2 of them. How many cherries are left? First thing you have to keep in your mind is you have to read the question 2 times to understand that this sum is of plus or minus. As we are here doing only subtraction, so it will be easy for you. But when it is a mixed kind of sums, there you have to read the question 2 times. Okay. Second thing, you have to find some keywords to identify that your question is of plus or minus. Like in addition, I have given some keywords. Same way in subtraction also, I will tell you some keywords. First one is, as you can see here, is left. Left means क्या बचा. In Hindi, we say क्या बचा हमारे पास at the end. Okay. Second keywords are minus, subtract, difference, take away. With these keywords, you will come to know that your question is of plus or minus. Sometime it may happen, children, that there are no keywords given in the question. So for that, you have to read the question properly. Okay. So let's move to a sum. As I have told you, the keyword is left. So I'm going to underline this keyword left. Now we have information, that is data, is Arav has 9 cherries. So yeah, our first information is 9 cherries, and as you know, the keyword is left. So this sum is of subtraction. So minus sign will come. Then he eats 2 of them. Okay. So here we have 9 cherries. So I'm going to put here 9 cherries. So these are the 9 cherries. And from this 9 cherries, he eats 2 of them. So I'm going to remove 2 cherries. Now what is left here? That is our answer, that how many cherries are remaining. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So our answer is 7 cherries. So what is left? 7 cherries are left. So as you can see here, 7 cherries are there. And as your question is there, how many cherries are left? So you are going to write answer in the statement form. So our answer is 7 cherries are left. 9 minus 2, answer is 7. So 7 cherries are left. Let's move to our second sum. There are 8 orange slices in a plate. Prachi eats 4 of them. How many orange slices are there in the plate now? This is the information we have. As I told you before, that sometime it may happen you will not have any keyword. As you can see in this sum, you don't have any keyword like left, subtract, minus, difference, take away. So for that, you have to read question 2 times. So again we'll read the question. There are 8 orange slices in a plate. Prachi eats 4 of them. How many orange slices are there in the plate now? So you have to imagine that there are 8 orange slices in a plate and she eats 4 of them. Means she is eating, she's taking away 4 slices. So this sum is of, yes, absolutely correct, subtraction. So let's start solving the sum. So our first information is 8 slices. So I have jotted down here down. Then as we have imagined that this sum is of subtraction, and in the beginning only I gave the heading that we are going to do only subtraction. But still we have to imagine the question also. So I'll put minus sign. Then she eats 4. Okay, now I am drawing here, or I am putting here orange slices. So these are 8 orange slices as you can see, and from this she ate 4. So I'll remove 4 orange slices. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now how many orange slices are left here? What is left in the plate now? We have to count. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our answer is 4 orange slices. So 8 minus 4, answer is 4. And we have to write answer in statement form. So answer 4 orange slices are there now. Okay. Now let's move. Question time to you. This is the first sum which you are going to solve in your classwork book. Prisha has 5 candies. She gave 3 of them to Pahal. How many candies are left with Prisha? So you are going to solve this sum in your classwork. Then second sum is, there are 9 cows in a farm. The farmer sells 6 of them. How many cows are left in the farm? So these two sums you are going to solve it. You have to see the keywords and you have to jot down the information, and at the end you are going to write the answer in statement form. Thank you. That's all for today. I hope you have understood the concept of single digit subtraction word problem. Bye. Take care. Keep practicing, children.